Right, so I learned how to fix, there's like when cable just doesn't stay there because it's some of these plugged it in with the wire, with insulation. So I just drilled holes here. Can you see? Is it visible? Difficulty. Yeah, it's probably not. God, how do you make it visible? Oh, right. So drill these holes. I don't know if you can see there. Mine doesn't have focus on it. It not just doesn't focus, it stops the video. Anyway, it's easy. It's visible. So there are these springs. Oh, you can see the springs here. The spring strips. And I just push this in and widen them up, and now it locks the wire. Can you see anything? Oh yes. What is it filming? Alright, so see and behold. Is it on? No. So now, the moment of truth. Right. Running. No sound. Oh. Right. There you go. Where is this one? Hey. We have action.